So I was looking for something to do to get out of London, and I just saw Eagle Heights in Ainsford in Kent.
Oh, very.
A couple of changes on a train, and I'm at an eagle sanctuary, and I've seen the biggest species of eagle in the world.
There you go. Over everyone's head.
And this other funny bird called a caracara that's like a weird chicken thing
Badgers.
runs around on the floor, that's like one of the smartest birds of prey, even though it's just given up flying, so it doesn't have to fly, because where it's from in the Falklands, there's no predators, so it doesn't need to fly to avoid danger, and there's so much food on the floor that it just stays on the floors, it doesn't need to fly. And look, I've been educated apparently. Yeah, Eagle Heights, Ainsford, amazing. Oh, and they've got goats as well, and I love goats. Goat, not a goat. What? Ah, demon sheep. Demon sheep is called Kanye. Brilliant. So that's either husky feeding time or walking time. That one's got his toy ready.